What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Johnny Alex, and today is the day we're going to start shooting Carlos's truck, the SS Clone, the one from San Fernando Valley. The bodywork is complete, the primer is complete as well. Basically today what we got to do is shoot the sealer, base coat, and clear coat, and I'm going to show you guys how to blend that fender to that door and that fender to the hood as well. All right, so as you guys can see, we have everything now cleaned up, washed, waxed, and greased. We have everything masked and taped off. So today what we got to do, like I mentioned earlier, we got to shoot this fender, make sure it blends with the door, and also make sure it blends good with the hood. So what we got to do right now is shoot some sealer. And the color sealer that we're going to be using today is gray. That's what this color calls for. So we got to shoot this whole fender with sealer right here up to this around, I'll say like around here. We'll do like an oval shape. We're going to shoot some sealer all right here as well. Not all the way high, but just, you know, as far as this body line goes. Todo aquí, right here. And then we're going to shoot our blender activator, or blender. So, you know, se remate todo bien. And then shoot our base coat. And then lastly, shoot our clear coat. Y aquí tenemos al compa Rosado. ¿Qué tienes, mijo? Enseña la cara, güey.
Buenos días.
No, qué buenos días. Ya son como las 4 de la tarde, mijo. Como que buenos días.
Es que anda en otro avión.
And then we are going to be shooting this front bumper. So this front bumper right here is already primered. All we got to do is shoot some sealer. The air ducts are going silver, and then the hood is going blue as well. And then we also got to respray this rocker cladding as well. But as you guys can see, the entire truck is masked up all the way around. This is a new plastic sheeting that we got. Let's see how it works. It's blue, it's not clear. But like I mentioned, I'm going to get started shooting the sealer right now. Let that flash off, and then shoot our blender as well, and hopefully everything matches. Crossing my fingers, because this is a custom color, so it is going to be kind of hard and difficult to match, but we're going to do the best that we can to make it match. Y va a quedar así, bien cherry. Let's go. So you guys, I just finished shooting the clear coat. The truck came out chulada. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you guys can see how the truck came out.
Ah, cabrón, como que ya estamos empezando el video, güey.
¿Qué onda, mijo?
No,
¿Qué
pues.
estás haciendo, güey?
No, pues estaba.
Estás bien formado, bien mamalón, güey.
No, estoy gordo, güey. Mira, te lo paso. A ver, si se puede ver, si se puede ver.
A huevo, mijo.
Está así. No, pues me quité la playera, güey, porque como que ya se viene el calor, güey.
Yeah, it's getting hot in Vegas, pero hay que enseñar al canal how everything came out. The grill got shot, came out beautiful. That cladding that goes on the bottom, también, from bumper. Look at that, you guys. This is the old one right here. Old fender, bumper. The air ducts I'll be spraying tomorrow. But the most importantly is the truck itself. Check it out, viejones. Miren cómo quedó el blend. ¿Pasa o no pasa? So, I'm gonna do some explaining to you guys so you guys know what the hell I did. So first things first, you gotta shoot your ground coat. What is your ground coat? Each color has different ground coats, meaning a different shade of color that has to be on the bottom in order for the color to pop out and match. So we use our dark gray sealer. As you guys saw, we painted the fender with sealer, the area right here in the corner que está chingado. After that, we shot some blender. As you guys saw, I shot that clear blender stuff. What is the blender? It helps me blend my base coat to the original color of the truck. And that is exactly what I did. Let that flash off, and then I shot our base coat all the way around. Let that flash off, hit it with the whole tack cloth. Everything got tack cloth. After that, we went ahead and gave it 3 coats of clear. But ahí quedó. Look at that. I'll get up and personal too. Look at that, you guys. So the blend came out beautifully. Check this angle right here. Front view. Side view. Y ahí quedó. Looks beautiful in my opinion, but we only shot this area right here. We had to blend the hood as well. Why didn't we blend the passenger side of the hood? That's because if I were to shoot paint over here, you guys, I would have to blend this fender, and then I would have to blend the door, and then the cab, and then the bed, and the next thing you know, it turns into a complete paint job. And the customer did not pay for that at all. He just paid us to fix the front end, new OEM parts. The 40K transmission cooler arrived today as well. New headlights, so we'll be installing those on the next video. And then we are going to be installing the air ducts, the lower grill for the bumper, the front bumper cover, the rocker cladding, all that good stuff. But, ¿tú qué opinas, mijo?
Me gustó como te la aventas. Yo sé que te la aventas de maravilla, pero como con el ojo así la veo más acá, más chingón. Como que agarro más wifi y luego con el otro y como que la veo así, como que sí, más chingón. Pero sí.
Yeah, it looked good. And then the door did get masked from the inside and from the outside. Masked the handle. Took the trim off. Took the side view mirror off. As you guys can see, there's tape right there so no overspray gets inside. But we like how this turned out. And yeah, we blended it perfectly in my opinion. Check all the angles. Looks good. Like I mentioned, our value shade, color, ground coat, blender, base coat, clear coat. And that's it. The grill came out amazing as well. Can't complain. The bottom of the rocker cladding, no pasa nada, from bumper all the way around. And we are going to be using that same grill insert that the old bumper has that's behind the bed. Tomorrow we'll be shooting the air duct silver. But yeah, the original bumper, the cover SS, it's in there. Aquí está. And then obviously we got to mask the whole truck. Like I got overspray the original paint of the truck. And like I mentioned, I painted this truck about 2.5 years ago, and the truck still looks good. The customer, he put in a lot of money. And yeah, I guess he has to order a new SS, no chulo?
Yeah.
For the front, because that one, decided to leave the chat. That one's really fucked up in my opinion. But yeah, ahí quedó.
Sí, me gustó todo el jale, la neta, te sacaste un 10 como siempre.
Un 10, and yeah, so as soon as this dries and cures, we'll be unmasking it, putting it back together, and then after that, fuga otra vez to Cali. So we are going to Cali this week again to drop this one off. And if you guys need an estimate, and you guys are in Cali, if you guys are around the area, I could swing by, give you an estimate if you guys like it. The trailer will be empty, and we could, bring it back. But aquí quedó. But with that being said, you guys, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.